Hello students, how are you all? So I hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing integers chapter. So this is the last topic of this chapter, division of integers. Okay, so let's do. So I'm taking here example minus 30 divisible by 10. Okay, so first I will write them in fraction form. Now you solve it. There is common table of 3 and we will write here 3. Now the main point is of sign. The rules are same which you have done in multiplication. So if two negative signs are there, then positive answer. If single negative sign is there, then answer will be in negative only, because this negative sign will not be cancelled with any other negative sign because it is only single. So answer will be in negative. Okay, it's very easy. So next, if your sum is like this, so you know BODMAS, first bracket will be solved. Okay, first we will solve the bracket. So 13 divided with square bracket, in small bracket there is minus 2 plus 1 square bracket closed. Okay, now 13 as it is, division sign. Now first we will solve this bracket. So minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1. Okay, you all know how to solve it. So 13 divided with minus 1. So 13 divided with 1 is 13 only, and there is only single negative sign, so answer will be in negative. I hope it is clear to you. So you have already done this. This is just repetition. Okay, so next example I am taking, verify the distributive property. If you remember, this is distributive property. In multiplication also this we have done, and in multiplication both the sides are equal, but it is not valid in division. We already knew this. Okay, but now we will verify it by taking examples. So this is a divided with b plus c is not equal to a divided with b plus a divided with c. Means like multiplication, this a will be divided with b, then this sign, then again a will be divided with c. Clear? Now we will verify it by taking some values. Now a is given as 12, b is given as minus 4, and c is given as 2. Now in place of a, b, c, we will put their values. We will write their values. Now first is a. So a is 12. Then division sign, just copy it. Okay. Then b. b is minus 4, write it like this. Plus c plus 2. Okay, is not equal to. Then 12, a is 12, division sign, b is minus 4. Why I have used here square bracket? Because there is already small bracket inside the bracket. So then for second we use square bracket, and after square we use curly bracket. Okay, so next plus a divided by c. A is 12 divided by 2. Okay, now in first step I have put all the values in place of these variables. These are variables now, a, b, c. So I have put here their values. Now after putting values, I'll solve it one by one. Means one side first I will solve, then I'll solve second side. So left hand side I am solving. Again BODMAS, first we will solve the bracket. So 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2. Then 12 divided by minus 2, we can write it as it is. 12 divided by minus 2. Now 2 is the common table, so it will cut on 6. So single negative sign, so we will get minus 6 as left hand side. Now we will prove the right hand side. Okay, similarly again BODMAS, first we will solve the brackets, both the brackets. Okay, separately. So 12 divided by minus 4 we can write like this. 12 divided by 2 we can write this. Now solve 12 by minus 4. You all know it is minus 3. plus 12 by 2 is 6. Now again it is addition and subtraction of integers. Minus 3 plus 6, you will get plus 3. Okay, because bigger term is positive. So our answer will be positive. Now if you see, minus 6 is not equal to 3. It means left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So distributive property is not valid under division of integers. Okay, I hope it is all clear to you. Thank you students. Have a nice day.